What's poppin', what's shaking, what's baking, what's the good word, everyone? My name is Afro and today we're making the Long Island iced tea. So for the Long Island iced tea, we're going to use 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of tequila, 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of rum, 1 ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of sweet and sour, which is basically all the 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 ratio. And then we're gonna top that off with Coke. Now, one of the rules about using sweet and sour mix is that you will always shake your drink, because you want to make sure that everything gets blended flavor-wise and you don't have any worries about that. So let's shake it now. Now for the Long Island, we're going to be using our hurricane glass, which is our nice fancy glass, and we're going to fill this with ice. Strain our mixture into the glass. Then we're going to top that off with just a dash of Coke. We're going to now bring on another guest to try this out, and we're going to see what he thinks of it.
What's up, peoples? This is it.
Yeah.
It's right here.
Yeah.
A lot of ounces. That's a lot of ounces. This is what the new age people refer to as fire. This slaps. Yeah, I ordered it. Maybe not too many though.
So this is the Long Island iced tea. Once again, it used 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of tequila, 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of rum, 1 ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of sweet and sour mix, and we topped it off with Coke, all in a 1 to 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 1 ratio. And I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on a brand new show.